Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We're up for Moonbreak. Quickly restart. LCS is running by the in the middle portion is Kina Gigiliwan. The next online now is Prima Donna, who's getting the white strip as they make their first turn. Running by the release Brown Fortune. Isa pa, while Lakewood is the early trailer racing down the backstretch. We have Apple Moon by about 3/4 of a length lead. Right behind in second is LCLs moving apart the outside is Kina Gigiliwan. Then next online is Brown Fortune. Isa pa comes next, then followed now by Lakewood, while Prima Donna now racing in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Apple Moon battling anyhow. LCLs now moving apart the outside. So sweet Brown Fortune also arriving at the scene. Then comes isa pa Kina Gigiliwan, Prima Donna, while Lakewood now racing in last as they swing for home. We are LCLs moving apart the outside is Brown Fortune. Apple Moon is running by the rail. Last 100 meters we have Brown Fortune. LCLs is running by the rail. Brown Fortune, LCLs, and finally it's Brown Fortune. LCLs, Apple Moon, isa pa.
Top favorite for our race number 4, entry number 1, Brown Fortune. That's our unofficial winner. Mas segundo, number 2, LCLs. Number 6 nating Apple Moon at 3 na isa pa. 1, 2, 6, 3 unofficial placing. That is all. Watch the replay.